Alright, let us solve, because here there is some question of provision of outstanding expenses and other points. Let us solve this question 4.11. Using the information given below, so this will be categorizing at classwork. Using the information given below, complete the balance sheet of PQR Private Limited. Current ratio is 1.6:1. Cash and bank balance is 15% of total current assets. Debtors turnover ratio is 12 times. Stock turnover ratio COGS 16 times. Creditors turnover ratio. Cost of goods sold ratio 10 times. GP ratio 20%. Capital gearing ratio 0.6. Depreciation rate 15% on WDV. Net fixed asset is 20% of total asset. Assuming all purchase and sales are on credit. Now, which is the notional figure given or nominal figure given? Is only two: share capital, provision, and outstanding expenses. There is no other figure given. Alright. So, which is the ratio which is based upon either share capital or provision and outstanding expenses? Let us find it out first. Alright. Except this capital gearing ratio. The capital gearing ratio also you need to have reserves, which is also not there. Cash and bank balance is given, stock turnover ratio is given, COGS. You need to find out the sales from somewhere. How we have found out? Try to concentrate. Current ratio, this figure given was of current liability. So we found out current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. We got answer of current asset. Net fixed asset, that is this figure, is 20% of this figure. So can I say this figure 1,09,000 1,09,60,000 is 80% of total asset. See, if this figure is 20% of total asset, let me change the color. This will be 80% and this will be 100%. What is 100% total asset? What is 80% current asset? And what is 20% is fixed asset? So, total asset will be 1,09,60,000 divided by 0.8. It is 137 lakhs, which is the total asset. So total asset will be 137 lakhs. So I will be getting answer of fixed asset 137 lakhs minus 109 lakh 60,000. This 27 lakh 40,000. Depreciation rate is 15%. So if this is 100, this is 15, this will be 85. So if 85 is a 27 lakh 40,000, what will be 100? I have just done cross multiplication over here because I know this is 15 of this. Answer will be 27 lakh 40,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 85. It is 32,23,529. 32,23,529. I hope you can find out depreciation answer easily. The balancing figure will be depreciation. I have got just two outer columns. So I have used this. Alright. Do I know total of these three figures? Right now, no, but I can find it out. Try to concentrate. How I can find it out is the total of this will be 137 minus this 68,50,000. 137 minus 68,50,000 will be 68,50,000. So this figure will be 68,50,000. This three. Can I find out figure of this two, reserves and surplus and 12% long-term loan? The answer is yes. Because if I do 68,50,000 minus 25 lakhs, I will be getting answer of this two. But right now I am concentrating only on this much. The total of this three is 68,50,000. Am I having capital gearing ratio 0.6? Yes. Capital gearing ratio is 0.6. What is capital gearing ratio? Capital bearing fixed interest rate, that is preference dividend, preference share capital plus debentures upon equity is equity share capital plus reserves is nothing but 0.60. Am I having preference share capital? No. Debt? Yes. So debt upon, am I having equity share capital? Yes. Equity share capital is 25 lakhs plus reserves, the answer of which I am not knowing. So there are two variables, I need to convert it into one. Alright, what will be debt? Try to concentrate. This figure, debt. It will be 68,50,000. Let me write it down along with it. 68,50,000, which is the total of equity reserve plus debt minus equity, which is 25 lakhs minus reserve will be is equal to debt numerator. See once again, what is that? Total of this three minus this upon 25 lakhs plus a reserve is equal to 0.60. Sir, why I did this? To convert two variables into one variable. Now I require only one variable, right? And now I am having only one variable, which is reserve. I will be terming it as X. 68,50,000 minus 25 lakhs. It is 43,50,000 minus X. X is reserve upon 25 lakhs plus X is equal to 0.60. 25 into 15 lakhs. So this will be 43,50,000 minus X is equal to 15 lakhs plus 0.6x. Taking this as X on this side will be 43,50,000 minus 15 lakhs will be is equal to 1.6x. 43,50,000 minus 15 lakhs divided by 1.60 is the 17 lakh 81,250. Is nothing but X, which is nothing but reserve. 17 lakh 81,250. 17 lakh 81,250. 12% long-term debt will be balancing figure. 68 lakh 50,000 minus 25 lakhs minus 17 lakh 81,250. 25 lakh 68,750. Alright, so I have used this capital gearing ratio. Debtors turnover ratio, stock turnover ratio, creditors turnover ratio, GP ratio. This is typical how I have found out sales. Alright, debtors turnover ratio will be based upon sales, but stock turnover ratio and creditors turnover ratio are based upon COGS. So let me do it in this manner. Stock turnover ratio is how you will do this is you will have to combine the ratios. This is somewhat typical question, because you are not directly getting one by one answers. You need to combine one or two ratios and then you will be getting the answers. Let me first take stock and debtors. What is the stock turnover ratio? Is stock COGS and debtors turnover ratio. Debtors turnover ratio is a debtors upon sales. I am assuming all sales are on credit. Oh, sorry, they have given all sales are on credit. Alright, COGS answer we are not knowing. Yes, let me assume sales is equal to X. So what is stock turnover ratio given? Stock turnover ratio given is 16 times. This is 16. COGS will be, what is GP ratio? GP ratio is 20%. So can I write down COGS is 80% of sales? 0.80x upon stock. Debtors turnover ratio is 12. Sales is X divided by debtors. Alright, so what is my answer of stock? Is 0.80 upon 16x. And what is my answer of debtors? Is X upon 12. So can I write down stock plus debtors plus cash 16,44,000 is equal to total current asset. What is the answer of current asset? 1,09,60,000. Right. In our equation, how many x are there? 1. If in one equation there is only one variable x, it can be easily found out. Alright, so I'm not here finding it out, you can easily do it. But your answer of sales is I'm directly taking it from both. It is 6,98,70,000. 6,98,70,000. And so debtor's answer is coming is 58,22,500. 58,22,500. Stock answer is coming as 34,93,500. 34,93,500. And from creditors turnover ratio based upon COGS, you will be getting answer of creditors, which is 55,89,600. 55,89,600. This is extremely good point. If you have solved this type of question once, it will be easy in examination. Otherwise, this to solve in examination becomes somewhat difficult.